This is the moment most of you have been waiting for. Ever since Ghana Armed Forces recruitment as an echo so now there was a stampede incident leading to the death of 6 ladies. No, Enipa be ebusa me Penyah. Almighty say, Twene say, Twene Gaza, Bayantelenka. Finally, Twene Jonas Abekasa. Na ejawum. Remember to you no actually wa amame. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah Brook Media. Me so say need mo. Obe like video, no that my subscribe buttons, na back like notification come latest update. Na be chire wa de amame. Ewo comment section. Best also bass no share for so onya bi ahwe. It last week Saturday. And you they see Ghana Hanum at Renchem Cassia no ye ebo Ghana, Bridge Cassia ebo Ghana Hanamo. Then for Ghana Armed Forces, we recruitment as omu yes, not omu screening, any checking of papers, any other day for the recruitment. Now a honor and a fofi Antwater, a work sports stadium at Greater Accra. There was a stampede incident which led to the death of 6 ladies. In fact, 6 active ladies. Uncle met me aya jumasno e de abo o man konkron Ghana o matu mo so o be serve Ghana o be bo Ghana ho ban. Right after the incidents no there were a whole lot of arguments as eba media no so Ghana for ATBA Pusiga MP honorable Yamba Laadi ebe kan se o kire mu say omomu when there they were ordained by Allah to die that particular day. Say can call Ghana ministers now be go hono be go for a wiase for president now be go hono that day. Say for Ghana so yes now because we want mobile corner still can that mansian and ombewu the Pusiga MP kan no. Emma Greater Accra Regional Minister Honorable Linda Oklu as ever can say those people who died they died because of their stubbornness, because they were asked to go home and come on Friday. And na omda so jina home to oma le pe na omu ye treze ensebo a etwabu Ghana hanom no na eje isem kuma na we say eno na video na goto Twene Jonas anim anu digest and was Debbie we pa there it could have been protected and it could have been prevented from happening. It is Twene abe descend on John Mahama.
Aya se me ba be fire John Mahama ne NDC for no so omo kwasiade a omo koye ya omukokum Ghana for makumaku 6 nkofo ma nka ne ombedi bronya obi ani abrese ne ba ebedi bronya na John Mahama mamuo kankan ti waku omo shatawale ne ayikura no sa akode am kura nim nyansa chen John Mahama ne aboa bi anchen no wajimi chen kraman John Mahama wajimi chen kraman enti shatawale mu etimi ko organize show I was sports stadium. What I say? Ama kotre bakura wuntu hu se mo magimi obi a enka soja fo ne ye mo na mo you are the peacekeeping people soja ni police mo na mo se mo bo Ghana fo ho ban enti ye recruitment na matimi ahwenyame anim na makoku Ghana fo 6 John Mahama we aboa wa mamuo no airtime too much wa mamuo na airtime too much wa mamuo na airtime ye careful. I'm telling you, what Jimmy Dodo NDC for mobile opposition na mukwa mobile branch na mamba power entimu ni masa Jimmy amamuono munyae mobile opposition meme de mobile opposition na mobile bre ansa na mamba power na ma Jimmy Dodo. I'm telling you the fact na ma Jimmy Dodo. Yeah recruitment akufo adu ma betra so aye recruitment every year ko treba kura nwi aden na munkwa de ma Jimmy adan na munko ade magimi mi hu ye ya to forms mo a ye behia mo no mo ba ye di sojafo ni police fo aguo ye je document hwem ni amanko usit number da ho obi akọ one after the other anya fe ni ekọ bie gate no obi amra yo mo ye mo a ese mo bo barrier o gate ho police fo gina ho sojafo gina ho obi a obeduru obi a no yes ye hwe document ni amanko one after the other adan ni panifo na jimi ti se mo a mo ye normal ti se mo ye nkraman ukwa Joshua Luther I say my man is nkroma of our time. The youth and the truth will always protect you even after death. Bro, love you too much. Thank you. I appreciate you. That be my nyom wada umbeku Ghana for nyina ebia ene eyo obi nua na ewu echina na John Mahama the careless Jimmy sa na okuku bi so foforo because oya den a recruitment ebe koso akoso a bisa se ne mana am ho afiafin a oba ya ontimi ntua teacher fo ka ntimi ntua nurse fo ka wasisa isika mo de toto cars di show off no mo de toto cars $1 million di show off no sa ankwase amani bi ne ko ya nka be ne de that be Kenyan then to put your shoes in the shoes of Ghanaians say ya dia yemfa Jimmy nto na yenye adie as nyansafo so enti mo careless behavior we na akuku nkra no what you say because there's no way say me the thousands of people could go baby na me make sure say me protect the entrance the gate na me make sure adema Jimmy mo ya moa the NDC for no be amono mo soldier for ni police you supposed to protect the people enti mo akra no mo employees amo for madwuma kra you can protect them. Does this make sense? Does this make sense? It does not. And now my Jimmy mo for mo so mo sentua mo ka my Jimmy mo sa for mo ntua mo ka obi se me koso me man na eno no age se okokowu eno kra na yesafa na yentua ne ka Nana Kwame was say Mahama is Balak or a curse to the nation. Obe Kofi no mu Kofi ahun omo ma power bio because media na me be omo ba power no omo ya kromfo nti me ma Ghana for to abama omo no omo fa akire nwa ame sparky powerhouse no ye nanti hood no kakra ye mfa siri no awona bounty abrofo man nyina obi agigi ni jacket ai arobo ma o hia me say anyway chale we America na nim se on krata asemunya and PPA rough of every 1 minute be aban bass in them because Trump when you be was some for come crum say Jimmy fucking me ma mo to abama mo a no mo de om kwase akobo Kevin Taylor aboa ne pa say o me dada nkufo so be deport me so because o me akronfo mo nim say o mo ba no be wi esika keke o mo me ye hwe magana fo ntia ne ye ni kanye den meta Twene Jonas say da be ya yedi bone a na o kakura obi a begense bia ene no nto kwantia and omde because omni se me nkoa de udi boni ameka wo ya de panso ameka obviously stupidity you like insulting elderly people uni twase elderly people na jimi no odwan kwasia unua ne ku ya nka wo do kwasia ba betena se me di omatem odwan me kwasia obi nwu ne ba no onuru 20 years 25 years 15 years na nim kadodo awabo any amani awa bre anse na we raise akra no na kwasia omo careless behavior what you say omo careless John Mahama kwasia mpanyin careless behavior ntina nkra nyina ku na odwan me di omatem se be ya next time mo besua nyansa kwasia shatawale mutimi cause millions of Ghanaians ko good stadium ba akukura mo renti na police fo ni soldier fo na omo mom di nipa ko good sports stadium a any people does this make sense shatawale na no onyu bia no sa akode mu di nipa kugu posted omukura nkum nipa na John Mahama kwase mpanyin na di nipa kugu posted ana ode omu jiska duro sa Jimmy sem we me man stop omu a ombe koso akum nipa kwase asema akwa abra amunya mwa mbetim di gate akobo na obia wato forms bia no mwan no online opto en okura ticket number na m the numbers abobo nkonwa ni nyina ntubu dru gate na ye scan forms ni ehu se wo number ni ana why then one antiko one after the other nya fe ni ye di nipa me ko tise nkukọ mama de ma Jimmy na JSS for kura de sa no bievu JSS primary school na obi amuye military for ma Jimmy because John Mahama ne kwase akwasi sankofo tise atofo sian boy Jimmy fuwe de ne kwase abet na o say omo koto fighter jet brand new fighter jet millions of dollars koto fighter jet abra ukwasi ayintmintu ya nurse foka abra ukwasi ayintmintu ya teacher foka enti omo ye mwa na metiana meka why koto $1 million fighter jet yeah the fighter jet yeah den war be na si Ghana military for no omalu plane no John Mahama kwase na kwasisa enkura omawie school to whom you know and this for ma omawie school and odi omkogu plane so omuntu omunim plane twi na po ebe catch them o ka so boa o si John Mahama baaye okoyi omunim adwuma ni nyina di because wa Jimmy eno akwasisa omunim plane twi eno omakoja omo agu mfifu amaku omo nipa ni adwuma no ntinye plane no ena ekoku omu driver na ekoku omu because crowd no wiem yes an oni experience akokan book ma che say o kan book na betena ade anu ma different from ade na ono no obi a wa ye adwuma for many years eti omo nyemwa komo baaye no wunyi niponim adwuma na di but all the new worker no ekok di na chi no asua adwuma no for many years no anya experience and sana wajai play na hye nsem se wontu omu nyina 3 years ago no omu wie school omu wie pilot school omu nyina pilot for no but omu a akufo ado te so no omu di play ni nam da bia ba omi 2 minutes bia no atu aduru ha no sankofo no kufuo time no omu na wo ho jeje time omu na wo ho dwoma ma jimifuo nko abai wa be yi omu nyina adi enti saa no omu bekumo na ai yohono jimifuo yi omukofa ne banya na ntafo mwaye kum nipa obokuyi but akufo ade tenaso no wote se omu di jimi koku police foku soja fo because no musuro dampale enti waba no madam pare ne nwo ho na ye dan ma yohono ni nachi no nche ntati so de anti criminals da bi wa jimi yohono ba awudisem nko a why because oni experience enti nwan Ghana kwan na tutu accident ikum nipa nkran tukuma ase no eno na mumfa sika ne nko yenya jet odwan na atimi create employment abo manum emwa enkwasiafo wati ase ni yenya sika ntua teacherfo yenya sika ntua police yenya sika ntua nurse. Does this make sense? We are poor ntimi sramo Jimmy emfaso bia ni Jimmy si ya na ma tuti akufo ado saa na mem ya to atia mo de en kwa de akufo ade en wa Jimmy ba no nkum nipa mo de mu hukum nipa na anu ya nkura ma akoma ku 16 accident yaku mo na nwan manya sika mo se mo de koto jet mwa abra Ghana no America kura ye state ba ko so say Ghana kuro ni nyina enso me drive ko different state. Why? Because mpanifo na ye ka kwan no enti from Accra to Kumasi nke 1 hour road by my jiminti mudi sikane koto jet na esi police barracks soldier barracks na accident ko suku Ghana fo abra mu hu nyansa edi sikane ko ye ka kwan na ebeboa productivity ebeboa madwuma koso ebeboa ama soldier ni tu kwan no an se o ko bedru save anya fe na okofro jet bia na asan akote na hwefom onam ka akwan so na nikuma na dan futimi twi obi atimi twi ka but pilot no enipa do se na pilot o wiase but driver ni bia betima move car. I'm sorry, it is what it is. Enti Jimmy and Fasoni tsunami enti obi antanjo mama mentano obi a memete BMW division mu mete heavy no ma me chele Trump nkra no mu mi omusuro memete BMW me twa wiem no ma bie sky view na me twa wiem no ene ye omo yawo ena omo so omo ayi ne sare no police immigration for no omo sare no omo so kire me say me nyere careful nya so mba be ha me eno ana omo betimi aye omo mema me woni asan omo suro me mtime jimi ha omo nyina nim say kasa American etwi omo ne na ma omo suro me omo mtime jimi. But would that be say let's get into it. But of course, oti America now krata semunya. Ye careful me na brofo ni suro me. But wa krata anye no MPP rough nya se omo so mu amba mu ado ako. Enti sojafo no why ne control mo eye dwom Mahama anya akofo ado. Ti dia me chono enu ntina sojafo ehwe ma Ghana fo nipa makoma kunsia wu ya. Me fire dwom Mahama no because on the orders on the control mo. And he say soldier for mo bonipa ho ban agina wa hwe han amanipa besanie tietia ne yonku nipa so akuno abro man timiam make maintain peace antimiam make sure say aha say the ma ban obi antimi nyimi obi e follow mbra because they are the law enforcement people. No matter na manipa ko wu a na se shatawale kura ni mnyansa che mampanyini no mampanyini ni aboa because shatawale timi edi nkura ko show no akomande omumo bia nyedede wa ha ampani ampa e peaceful na dwoma ma na ntwie de nkura koguo no atimi ahwa amoma tietie omo ho aku omo ho a oya aboa oromane gari enti mesramo. The truth is powerful and warm up is dedicated for truth. O mine any baby akọ na sa adwoma ma wo chimi no a wo waste taxpayers money ma Trump so on sisa immigrant for mera Ghana no enu nso jai no obi anim say we aboa Akufo-Addo betrans so many years wa meka nchire country bi say oh who deport criminals afomo bra me omikro meje omo there be it doesn't happen that way obi akodi bone na ye chene ne ye deport na enyi no Ghana na saa no wa ya amala tafo na ma omuku Ghana for say because wa jimi anti saa no mani nyina ka bi no man ye nye ye da no because ye sika na de bebo Ghana ni ho ban no ye de hwe foreign akwasiampanyin ye sika no na no na wo wasisa oman sika taxpayers money adinya wa jimi me de koma Sudan because Sudan ntokwasi ho na bisa wo se boko ntokwasi ho no da be na John Mahama tipase John Mahama kwasiampanyin aso sika se me de koma menuanam tafo because o ma jimi o mu ku o mo ntokwasi ho da bi wa jimi wa san Ghana fo na mo ntokwasi o mo no less than 2 hours drive akodru from Ukromo less than 1 hour less than half an hour from Ukrom John Mahama na ntwie afro play aso sika ni okujeto abra kwankwasiafo amutinya nsanim edi sika akoma Sudan fo unim so Sudan fo beka se munim nyansa on beka ma jimi a moment Sudan ni be wu se Ghana ntokwasi wa ma Ghana fo asore ko ye refugee wo Côte d'Ivoire no omuma mpanyini aso sika de bre no ombe wu se Ghana mpanifo ya moa oromai because Ukrom for a refugee wo Côte d'Ivoire why are you giving their money to us Ukrom for no a refugee e de ntina wo so a Ukrom for ni sika de bre obia nim se magimi I'm telling you the fact na muntimi ntua nurse for muntimi ntua teacher for I'm telling you the real obia nim se magimi enti jimi no ye betimi ate so the money is there. Me and Sisa Mayan Kwasi Aman Kotuto car. Na supercar na ebeku ba no 16 years oni minyansa 20 years oni minyansa in 20 years career and nani aboa na nsise supercar supercharge cars $1 million cars ma oba no obenya accident ekowu na m ya kwesha abarifo na no so yese be waste taxpayers money kosie John Mahama ba ye be man state bari an Kwasi asem. But first can be a juma na dachi abodi se kwame nkruma obi e factory wa ha eti abodi John Mahama be e factory wa ha obi e company wa ha John Mahama nti me marry school manya adwuma ye na nkwa se John Mahama di sika to talkers ni etwa ba social media obi anim se wajimi I'm sorry it is what it is I'm sorry, it is what it is. And of course, the truth will always defeat us, and nobody's better at this than me. The Almighty Twene Jonas is the best, and it is the fact and the real. Yes, I'm going to Abamam Sammy, your major party of front count. More by a buy and for you levy, more buy and I'm Kwasiadi de Leviaba, and a movie any pan of Perianum, Mujisicana, and Amaswadi, Middle East for Adian Tokwaso, Palestine, India, the Sicane, Bre Palestine for Abera, Ghana ni. Every school nya dwuma nya mo ye moa na mo wi a mo diskana dru ai Sudan say ya wonso ntokwas wo ye diskana komom abra gan mi hu ye di mi kromfo adidi awi a bi aka no na me di bi koma abontin so ni da bi nkwasiafo we de ye mfa sika nkoma abontin sofo na Ghana fo mmere wo ye say you are stupid because abontin so ni no meto abama. You are stupid. A Ghana ni na beto abama ti wono na boa no say be ya next time ye begina ka so nkoto abama John Mahama nyantwie no ana ndisi fo agimefo na obekọ so da akoto ba obi nkogina wiye mu nkoto abama mo na mu nya sika na mu nsesa nkoma Sudan fo agimefo no mu ni na nipa ntikro mu ha bere otigana ha obere wagimi na mu ntimi nya hwe mo na mu se eku o mo ma mo di nipa ko gu sports stadium mu se mu se mo di nipa aba no omudoso na yede nipa bone fo befra on yese yetiminya protection ma Ghana fo mu value Ghana ni bia nkwa na mu de o makogu sports stadium ma ja o mu na police fo soja fo ase nkankwasea fo mu behwe nipa no so no da bi ma ja o mu se o mu tieti o mu so nku o mu. Look at this nonsense. How safe are we? Say John Mahama na ntwie ne organize recruitment John Mahama Jimmy for no organize recruitment. Now on team protected the Ghanaians. Now Shatawale to me organize show. Sa akodi organize show. Then kotre bakura mo renting. Now John Mahama nchia okura police okura ayo prisoners nyina okura immigration okura obia wantimi amfa all these tax forces. I'm a guy the Ghana for protect you. I'm omako wakoku nipa 6. But ultimately soldier for one police ko guide the illegal miners mo say nsuo. Kwasia we abeden when you vote bio. When am to abaman kwasia for no meku Ghana for bio. Enti so ma Jimmy a ombeko fie. Ena Ibrahim Mahama no mon kan chia no me say onim na ade achi no de kwasia betena say wawia oman ajapade fofraka Ghana Bauxite Limited no a wawia no ene sankofa mines na wawia no ho a me memo obi a woni sika eku no obi entrin kasa wa be kasa bia meku nso afra simple truth me tikrom a matue sika na obi a wo Ibrahim Mahama sika eku no ko ekronfo oman ajapade mu mewiewia kwasiafo ade magimi de madrui mu wa private jet nyina mu wo bibia ti oman ajapade no enkiyemfa enkosi school dan yemfa nkoye ka kwan yemfa bi nkoye den enkosi hospital yemfa bi emmoa oman no enya mu nkwasiafo amanya sika wie na mo se be wie anyapade aka ho etikasa nkofa ye tu sika no eba no na nka John Mahama se o sika yenya o san nkofa we ye de koye ka kwan we ebia kosombo tukuma ase sa na leader kasa o anya se sika na ba menu Ibrahim Mahama wia nkwasiase men no gold board am de buy ye sami jamfi mo de atoto to cash $500,000 car no mo titim na de aka John Mahama Jimmy for aswa 8 billion ya kogu ni dem na ne manta for Jimmy for de toto cash se scan nyina ka betimi de ayren aye bibia bo man no se be ya obi tuwa o si enkofo we ye to abama mo ya nu ye ho ba se u kwasia maba almost 1 year mu ntimi tua common nurse for ka common teacher for mu ntimi tua mo ka omo ye demonstration na mo say di o matem
ubetma chere wa adwene amame e wo comment say this is the simple submission of Twene Jonas proud to the stampede incidents that happened that led to the death of 6 ladies during the Ghana Armed Forces recruitment exercise at a work sports stadium in Greater Accra region. Ubetma chere wa adwene amame I said I don't pay the beef food. That's a brofu laba. I don't pay small brofu duru what there. I Penyah Media. Agra.